Olive oil has been a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet for centuries. Its rich flavor and culinary versatility are unmatched. Science is now revealing its incredible health benefits. From boosting heart health to enhancing brain function, olive oil is a superfood. Incorporating olive oil into your diet can transform your health. Ever wondered why a Mediterranean meal leaves you feeling so satisfied? One word: olive oil. This liquid gold is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats take center stage in curbing hunger pangs. How do MUFAs work their magic? They slow down digestion, preventing those dreaded blood sugar spikes and crashes that leave you craving unhealthy snacks. This sustained energy release keeps you feeling fuller for longer, making it easier to manage your weight. But that's not all. Olive oil also stimulates the release of cholecystokinin, a hormone that signals to your brain that you're full. This powerful combination of slow digestion and increased CCK production makes olive oil a valuable ally in your weight management journey. So, next time hunger strikes, reach for a drizzle of olive oil on your salad or vegetables. You'll be amazed at how this simple addition can keep those cravings at bay. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health. Fluctuations in blood sugar can lead to energy crashes, increased cravings, and even long-term health problems like type 2 diabetes. The good news is that olive oil can be a powerful tool in your blood sugar management arsenal. Studies have shown that olive oil can improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of or living with type 2 diabetes. The magic lies in the unique combination of antioxidants and healthy fats found in olive oil. These compounds work synergistically to improve cell function and reduce inflammation, contributing to better blood sugar control. Incorporating olive oil into your daily diet is a simple yet effective way to support healthy blood sugar levels. Drizzle it over salads, add it to smoothies, or use it for cooking to reap its blood sugar balancing benefits. Chronic inflammation is a silent threat lurking beneath the surface and contributing to a wide range of health problems, from heart disease to cancer. Thankfully, nature has provided us with a potent weapon to combat inflammation: olive oil. Olive oil is brimming with antioxidants, particularly oleocanthal, which has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen. These powerful compounds work by neutralizing free radicals, the unstable molecules that cause damage to cells and contribute to inflammation. Regular consumption of olive oil can help reduce chronic inflammation throughout the body, lowering your risk of developing chronic diseases. Consider olive oil your secret weapon in the fight against inflammation and enjoy the protective benefits it offers. Olive oil isn't just a culinary superstar. It's a beauty secret passed down through generations. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and E, olive oil is a natural moisturizer. It protects your skin from environmental damage and UV radiation. Vitamin E helps repair damaged skin cells and reduce wrinkles. Embrace the natural beauty benefits of olive oil in your skincare routine. As we age, it's natural for our cognitive function to decline. However, research suggests that olive oil may help keep our minds sharp and agile. The brain-boosting benefits of olive oil are attributed to its high concentration of polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage. Studies have linked olive oil consumption to improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive performance. Some studies even suggest that olive oil may play a role in reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. By including olive oil in your diet, you're not just nourishing your body, but also supporting optimal brain health and cognitive function. Make olive oil a staple in your diet to keep your mind sharp and focused for years to come. Section 7. Olive oil, a heart-healthy choice. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide. The good news is that simple lifestyle changes, including dietary modifications, can significantly reduce your risk. Olive oil, a cornerstone of the heart-healthy Mediterranean diet, plays a crucial role in protecting your ticker. Olive oil is abundant in monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. This balance is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and preventing plaque buildup in arteries, reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Furthermore, olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in blood vessels, further protecting your heart. Embrace olive oil as your heart's best friend and enjoy the cardioprotective benefits it offers. Section 8. Olive oil for a happy gut. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being. It plays a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. Olive oil, with its prebiotic effects, can contribute to a happier and healthier gut. Prebiotics act as food for the beneficial bacteria that reside in your gut, promoting their growth and activity. Olive oil's prebiotic properties help foster a diverse and thriving gut microbiome, which is linked to improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and a stronger immune system. Incorporating olive oil into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support gut health and reap the benefits of a well-balanced gut microbiome. Your gut will thank you for it. Section 9. Beyond the obvious, unveiling more health perks. We've explored the amazing benefits of olive oil for heart health, brain function, skin health, and more. But the health perks of this liquid gold don't stop there. Emerging research suggests that olive oil may offer even more protective benefits. Studies are exploring the potential role of olive oil in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, protecting against fatty liver disease, and even supporting kidney health. While more research is needed, these preliminary findings are promising and highlight the potential of olive oil as a powerful tool for disease prevention. As research continues to uncover the remarkable health benefits of olive oil, it's clear that this ancient elixir has earned its place as a true superfood. Section 10. Choosing the right olive oil, a buyer's guide. Not all olive oils are created equal. To reap the maximum health benefits, it's essential to choose high-quality, extra virgin olive oil. Here's what to look for. Extra virgin olive oil. This designation ensures that the oil has been cold-pressed, preserving its flavor and nutritional content. Dark glass bottles. Olive oil is sensitive to light and heat, so choose oil stored in dark glass bottles to protect its quality. Harvest date. Look for a recent harvest date, as olive oil's flavor and nutritional value decline over time. Origin and certification. Opt for olive oil from reputable producers with certifications that guarantee authenticity and quality. By following these simple tips, you can ensure that you're choosing the best olive oil to enhance your health.